All right, guys, happy Thursday, woohoo! All right, today's a review of the 3 lessons that we've done this week. And really this week, all it is becoming a lot more fluent with your number counting. So remember, counting up as well as counting back. You guys are rock stars at counting up, but we just need to make sure that when we're counting back, we're not skipping any numbers, okay? So on my table, I have my Reck and Rack, which is what you're just gonna follow along with because I know you guys don't have one. However, if you can grab your hide 0 cards, that would be awesome and amazing. And then your double 10 frame with 20 objects. And you can go ahead and put those 20 objects on there because we are going to be counting back when we're taking away. So to start off with, I just want to have us start a quick little warm up, and you're going to help me count with our Reck and Rack, okay? So remember, when I slide it over, that's when you're going to say your number, and you're going to say it with me too, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you guys remember that we have exactly 5 red and exactly 5 white. So when I get to 5, I should always end with a color, okay? All right, let's count on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're coming down to the bottom. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So something I want you to start thinking about is your Reck and Rack is like your double 10 frame. So if you look, you have 5 red and the 5 are on top. You have 5 white and there's 5 there. You have another set of 5 red and there's our second set of 5. And then again, your last set of white, and that's your last one. So I know I have 20 objects here, but I also have 20 objects on my Reck and Rack. All right, that was our practice of getting warmed up. The next thing we're gonna do is you are going to get your hide 0 cards out. And what I would like for you to do, we're gonna practice now counting back. So I know that when I look at my 2 10 frames, it is 2 groups of 10. I have 1 and 2 groups of 10. So my 2 is actually gonna cover over the 1, and we're gonna start with the number 20, okay? So the first 2 are just gonna be a little tricky because we're moving them to different spots, but after that, you guys will be awesome, okay? So we have 20, I'm gonna take that away, and now I have 19. If I have 19 and I take 1 away, my new number is going to be 18. If I have 18 and I take 1 away, it is going to be 17. If I take 1 away from 17, my new number is going to be 16. Okay? If I take 1 away, my new number is going to be 15. If I take 1 away, my new number is going to be 14. If I take 1 away, my new number is going to be 13. And if I take 1 away, my new number is going to be, oops, sorry about that, is going to be 12. Oops, upside down. And if I take 1 away from 12, I get 11. And if I take 1 away from 11, I get 10. And here's what I want you to see. Here's our pattern that you're gonna start noticing. If I have 10 and I take away 1, I get 9. If I take away 1, I get 8. If I take away 1, I get 7. If I take away another one, I get 6. If I take away 1, I get a 5. If I take away 1, I get 4. If I take away 1, I get 3. If I take away another one, I get 2. And if I take away another one, I get 1. If I take away another one, I get to 0. So please keep in mind, guys, it's your pattern. If you can count up all the way to 10 and count back all the way to 10, or I'm sorry, all the way to 0, then you can count up and back from 20 because it's just your pattern, okay? All right, our last activity that we're gonna do, go ahead and pull out your 10 frame, or your 2 10 frames, sorry. And we are now gonna count back, but with not using our numbers, just using our objects. So again, I know I have 2 sets of 10, which is 20. So I have 20. If I take 1 away, I know I have 10 and I have 9, and I know 10 and 9 is 19. If I take 1 away, I still have 10, but now I have 8, which is 18. If I take 1 away, I still have my set of 10. Now I have 7, and I know 10 and 7 make 17. If I take 1 away, I have 10, and then I have my 5 and 1 more, which is 6. So I know that 10 and 6 makes 16. So I take 1 away. I have 10 and 5, and I know 10 and 5 makes 15. If I take 1 away, I am left with 10 and 4, which makes 14. If I take 1 away, I have 10 and 3 left over, which makes 13. If I take 1 away, I have 10 and 2 left over, which gives me 12, sorry. If I take 1 away, I have 10 and 1, which makes 11. If I take that away, this is where you guys get really good. I have 10. If I take 1 away, I have 9. If I take 1 away, I have 8. If I take 1 away, I have 7. If I take 1 away, I have 6. If I take another 1 away, I have 5. If I take 1 away, I have 4. And then 3, and then 2, and then 1, and 0. All right, you guys, remember the big goal for this week was, again, counting up as well as counting back. So keep in mind, if you guys can count and see the numbers in your head, that pattern is going to repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then again, same thing going backwards. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, you guys, have a wonderful night. We will see you guys next week for math. Bye.